How's it going, Phone Lab? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video I want to show you something that's kind of important for us because any of you who are on Windows 10 and have gotten some recent updates, you're going to see a change here that's been a problem. So it's basically when running ADB, and when you hold Shift and you right click, you can see that it has only this Open PowerShell window here option, not Open Command window here. So when you do this, you get this blue thing. Now you can still run ADB from here, but it also doesn't necessarily always open in the correct window and location, and it can be kind of a pain. So if you want to get CMD working once again from holding Shift and right clicking, that's what we're going to do in today's video. And it's really simple. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to take this file here, which I'm going to have linked below this video, where it says CMD here window V for 10, and you just click on it and go ahead and extract these two files. And I extracted mine to the desktop. I'll just do it again so you can see it. Go ahead and say replace to all because I've already done this before, just for testing purposes. And then to basically get the registry edits that you need to get that back in your folder system, you're just going to click on it right here. So this one will do it, and then this one will undo those registry edits if you want to turn it off again. So I'm going to show you. We're just going to click this. We're going to say yes. We're going to say yes to change my registry. Hit OK. And that's it. We just changed it. The last thing you have to do is come here and right click, go to Task Manager, and you need to just really quickly go to, you know what, it's not showing here. The easiest thing to do is just open a file so that it'll show there. Right here, Windows Explorer, and click Restart. So right click and then do Restart. That just makes sure that the registry edit took place. And now, if we go in here, we can do the Shift right click, and you can see we have Open Command window here back. And now we will currently open Command window in that location once again, and we've got it fixed. So that's how you do it, and that's the easy process to get Shift right click Command windows back into your device and into your computer on your Windows 10 Creators Update. So that's the process. These are the two files. Like I said, they'll be linked in the zip below this video. If you want to undo it by any reason, just click that one, do the finish installs, and go ahead and restart with Task Manager, and it'll be gone once again back to the way you had it. Hope this was helpful for you guys. I know some of you have been asking, and stay tuned for more videos here at Phone Lab. You know, we like to do what we can to keep you guys up to date on the latest and the greatest. Hope this has helped, and we'll catch you in the next one. Root Junkie out.